Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dance Skiller.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skiller. You are watching Dancehall Skiller Entertainment. Hey yo, Skiller. Alright everybody, you don't know who this already. This is the Skiller. And right away, me I gonna ask you one question and get right into the clip. What is it police officer have against this taxi man and overall taxi man? Observe.
Record this, dada. Now go on this one, right? Record. No, what's the camera? Record it. Let's record it. You don't give him a blind still in officer. The pepper spray him.
You know, to say that them a fucking do. That's some can't like police, you know. Them a video, them a wicked, them the man a pull over. The man stopping at the road and say, come on. You don't tell me here, man. Now the man, I have to man to behave himself. The man to man to behave himself. The man a come out and the man drive up from my head into my life. All to just come out of the road, so.
Well, you see what I'm talking about, right? So what police have against taxi men, you know what I mean? But we are specifically talking about this taxi man now. You see what I say? The policeman them, from the clip start, they might try to arrest him. That is what we see. And when they might try to arrest him, it's like he might try to resist the arrest. Alright, fine. There's no resisting arrest, which is a big thing with most people nowadays. And none of my viewers them agree with me whenever I tell them that you are not supposed to resist arrest. Yeah? Because it's the law, you know what I mean? You can't fight the law with brute force. You have to fight the law in the court. You get what I'm saying? Alright, fine. So he resisted arrest and look what happened now. Then spray the pepper spray right in them eye. You see what I'm talking about? Turn around and spray the pepper spray right in the man's eye. That is the thing what I'm talking about. Now, as the pepper spray catch him, the first thing I hear somebody say, that's why I can't like police. See what I'm talking about? That's the thing. You see me? No, don't get me wrong, you know. Some of these policemen overdo things. Like really overdo things. You know what I mean? Yeah, you see me? No, we're not sure why the policeman them deal with this man like how them deal him. Cause him can be a suspect. maybe him do something wrong and them a try if you know, maybe favor somebody where them a look for. You know what I mean? But the point is that them a try if keep him under calm and him a try if defend himself. You know what I mean? But for the real, sometimes the police them can give a listening ear, because if the man say going to that person, and even if he is a suspect, I mean, you could look on your ID, right? The man have his, he might drive, you know. Remember, say he might drive, then tell him to pull over. And that is the thing too. They tell him, say, them tell him to pull over, and when him for pull over, immediately when them say him for pull over, right? He couldn't do that, according to what the woman said. So you can see, say, he might drive, take them and pull over, and he end up pull over right beside this place full of mattresses. You get what I'm saying? The same mattress yesterday, my try to hold him down pan. Alright, so now that's this man pull over and come out. We don't know if they ask him for license registration, but me know so most likely them have to do that, because that is the first thing you're supposed to do to get identity of who you are dealing with when you as a police officer carry out the law. You understand what I'm saying? Now, this man probably have given them what he give them, you see me? But still, something went wrong with them to try to do this, you know? Pepper spray and still get arrested. So, at the same time, it hence make my point, you can't resist arrest, alright? What is it that the policemen have against taxi men? I would like to know, and I would like you, my viewers, to tell me. You know what I'm saying? Because every time something go wrong, all civilians is ready to be like, yo, police this and the police that. Yeah, we agree, said enough police do wrong, but some of these taxi man is just as bad and is even more dangerous than the policeman them, to be honest. The reckless driving on the road and how them deal with the road. Even when me a drive, or even me a ride, and me see a taxi man a come through, me a try make him go on where am I going up. Cause me, nah, make him scrape my brand new sitting in. You understand? Yeah. And them thing them say go through with enough taxi man on the road. You know, taxi man is like them have something to prove with speeding. And me, nothing like that. You understand? Yeah. So at them little things they really are true. You see me I say so. Policemen, you know, and the transport authority is really hated throughout the whole, like North of Jamaica, especially in the city of Kingston, you know, because of the whole thing with all them three taxi men. But as I said, you can't blame them some of the time, alright? Anyways, you my viewers, please let me know what you think about the whole situation, you know. What is it that the policemen have against these taxi men, and what does policemen have against taxi men per se? You know what I mean? Per se, I say per se, yeah. And as always, if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Alright? My name is Skilla, and that was Skilla's Entertainment.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.